I'm going to be listing my Mccullough chainsaw on eBay. Wanted to do a video on it. I believe from all the research I've done, it's a 797. Mccullough 797 123cc, 123cc. 36-inch bar. It's missing a few parts. It's supposed to be a bracket that goes across the top here to hold the handle. The bolts on here and clamps onto each side of the bar. It's missing that bracket. It's missing the cover that goes over here. I think that holds probably a vent tube that is missing. Other than that, it's all complete. Kill switch has been chipped off, but still functional. The saw is functional. The oiler is working. The choke's working. From what I was told, the saw's been sitting for quite some time. So my guess is probably could use a carburetor rebuilt, maybe a tune-up. I'm going to lay my phone down here for a minute while I fire it up. And then I'll pick my phone back up.